Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Saniya Zehra Lifestyle, and this is Saniya Zehra. And if you are new to this channel and if you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification and updates about my videos. So today I'll be sharing you this hijab tutorial so that it will be very useful for you for Eids, for parties or for weddings, wherever you are going. So I'll be sharing 4 hijab tutorials which is very easy and which is not even time consuming. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I hope all you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the tutorial. So if you are liking any of the tutorial, do try it by yourself, like in upcoming Eid, wedding or anything. Do try and share me the pic, and I'll be posting my Instagram ID in the description box so that you can follow me there and you can tag me over there about my his this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. So if you're new to this channel, do subscribe for more information. If you like the video, like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye, and let's see you all in the next video. Thank you.